Yo, greetings, how are you doing, guys? So in today's video, I want to show someone how to make a fuse the Zimdancehall rhythm. So we're gonna try and modernize it. We want to fuse Zimdancehall and Afro beats at the same time. So yeah, without wasting time, I'll be using stock plugins mostly. I wanna show you how impressive is FL Studio 24.1. The plugins are just nice, guys. So this is the beat. I already made the beat, right? So yeah, I'm sorry about the background noise. My son is making a lot of noise here. Uh, right. So let me start by this guitar. I wanna show you how I did it. You'll be surprised. It's a stock plugin, so this is where you can find it. Instruments, guitar, jazz guitar. It's a jazz guitar. Of course, I've played with it. Like I've added. Let me see. This preset from Waves, right? So yeah. So normalize adding these effects to your instruments so that you understand how they change everything in the mix. They are actually going to take your sound to the next level, guys. So yeah, I love this guitar from FL Studio. It's a stock plugin. So I've made a little bit of percussion here. I'm gonna show someone how I did it. Okay. So it's just that and two shaker loops. Yeah. Okay, so what else do we have? Let's see. Yeah. So these strings are strings from Flex. It's a stock plugin as well. So I used that preset strings too. Yeah. And then there's this classic acoustic. It's also from the stock plugin guitars, classic acoustic. It's really nice, and then I added a little bit of reverb and delay as well. Maybe we need to control. I think we need to control our feedback level. Right. I think I love that. Right. And then there's this. It's from GMS. GMS. And there's somewhere where I chopped the codes. This is no longer a stock plugin, but I love this plugin. It's called Spire. So I played some plugs from Spire. Okay, and then what's going on here? This thing is not even playing. What's going on now? Okay, it's fine. Never mind. try to see what's wrong with this plugin because we need that sound. We need that sound. Okay, let's just forget about it for now. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'm gonna give you a clue, I mean, of how it was sounding like. Uh, okay, right. So that's it. Bass as well. I use the Morphin. Morphin is a stock plugin as well, right?